present here on behalf of Master Point classes. So, Independence Day is a national celebration. So, we'll begin this national celebration with a national anthem written by Rabindranath Tagore. So, I request Navya Sheikh to come here and present the national anthem. Please encourage with applause. Okay. Yes. Nice national anthem by Navya. Yes. The day holds a great significance in the heart of every Indian citizen living in India and in abroad, remembering the sacrifice and the struggles of our martyrs from long span of 200 years. So now I request our Marathi teacher to share her views. Please.
सन्मानित टीचर्स आणि विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, सर्वात प्रथम सर्वांना आजच्या दिवशी काय आहे ते तर सर्वांना माहीतच आहे आणि या दिवसानिमित्त सर्वांना खूप शुभेच्छा. आजचा दिवस 15 ऑगस्ट 1947 आपला भारताला स्वातंत्र्य प्राप्त झाले होते. तर हे स्वातंत्र्य मिळवण्यासाठी भारतातील अनेक स्वातंत्र्य सैनिकांनी खूप पराक्रम केले. तर अनेकांनी आपल्या प्राणांची आहुती केली हे तर सर्वांना माहीतच आहे. त्यात सर्वात प्रथम कोणाचं नाव येते? महात्मा गांधी. महात्मा गांधी यांनी 1942 मध्ये आंदोलन सुरू केले होते. कोणते आंदोलन सुरू केले होते? भारत छोडो हे आंदोलन सुरू केले होते. त्यानंतर खूप पराक्रम केल्यानंतर आपल्याला हे स्वातंत्र्य प्राप्त झाले आहे. म्हणून आपण आज या स्वातंत्र्य दिनानिमित्त सर्वांना खूप शुभेच्छा देत आहे.
What an dedicated freedom fighter was Mahatma Gandhi. His thoughts was, be the change that you want to see in the world. Now I'll request our Hindi teacher to share her view.
आप सभी को पता है आज 15 अगस्त यानी हमारा स्वतंत्रता दिवस जो कि 74वां स्वतंत्रता दिवस है. आज मैं आपको इस दिवस की बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं देना चाहती हूँ और आपको हमारे प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री श्री जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी के बारे में कुछ बातें बताना चाहती हूँ. जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी का जन्म 14 नवंबर 1890 में इलाहाबाद में हुआ. वो एक पंडित समुदाय से थे. उन्हें बच्चों से बहुत प्रेम और लगाव के कारण हम आज भारत में 14 नवंबर को बाल दिवस मनाते हैं. आज़ादी की लड़ाई में उन्होंने एक उत्कृष्ट अपना हिस्सा रखा और उन्होंने बढ़ चढ़कर इस आज़ादी की लड़ाई में अपना सहयोग दिया. उनका स्थान बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण रहा है और वो एक उत्कृष्ट साहित्यकार, लेखक और एक अच्छे प्रधानमंत्री साबित हुए. और यहीं से उन्होंने लाल किले पर प्रथम झंडा लहराया. तभी से आज हम 15 अगस्त 26 जनवरी के दिन इस तरह से झंडा लहराकर देश की आज़ादी का जश्न मनाते हैं.
Thank you, Hindi teacher. Such an inspirational Netaji was. His thought was that time is not measured by just passing of years, but by what one does, what one feels, and what one achieves. So now I'll carry forward this celebration with our dear students' speeches. So we'll start with the girls squad and I'll welcome Ume Kulsum to present the speech. Please encourage them with applause.
Good evening teachers and my dear friends. Today we are gathered here to celebrate 72nd Independence Day of India. We all know that India got independence on 15 August in 1947 from the British rule. After independence we got all the fundamental rights in our nation, our motherland. We all should feel proud to be an Indian and admire our fortune we took birth on the land of an independent India. History of slave India reveals everything that how our ancestors and forefathers had worked hard and suffered all the brutal behavior of Britishers. We cannot imagine by sitting here that how hard the independence was for India from the British rule. It took sacrifice of lives of many freedom fighters and several decades of struggle from 1857 to 1947. Some of the great freedom fighters of India are Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bhagat Singh, Khudi-Ram Bose and Chandrasekhar Azad. They were famous patriots who struggled hard for the freedom of India till the end of their life. We cannot imagine that horrible movement struggled by our forefathers. Now after many years of independence, our country is on the right track of development. Today our country is a well-established democratic country all over the world. Gandhiji was a great leader who taught us about effective way of freedom like ahimsa and satyagraha methods. Gandhiji dreamed of an independent India with the non-violence and peace. We should take an oath today of being highly responsible and well-educated citizen of the tomorrow India. We should sincerely perform our duty and do work hard to hold the successfully leads this democratic nation. India is a mother country and we are its citizens. We should always be ready to save it from the bad people. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you and wish you a very happy independence.
Thank you, Kulsum, for a wonderful speech. Now, I welcome Namia Sheikh to present the speech.
Good evening teachers and my dear friend. On August 15, 1947, India has independent after years on this day. It was to be the national falls from the British that took over it from the year that they hold the great in the heart of every Indian. The citizens living in the India vote on August 15, 2020 in India world 73 years of freedom has reached. This year marked the 1714 Independence Day on the country. While it is celebrated the annual and national holiday. Thank you everyone. A happy Independence Day.
Thank you, Namia. Now we will go to the boys first and I'll welcome Ayan Raje to present the speech.
Respected all, I would like to wish you happy Independence Day. On this year we celebrate 74th Independence Day. It is a big day because 15 August 1947 India get freedom. We should remember freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru and Subhash Chandra Bose and others. After independence, India got fundamental duties or fundamental preciously, and our soldiers fight on border continuously to protect our country. We should lay our pledge today to make our best and make our country best in the world. Jai Hind.
Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to perform a speech on Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15 August. We have our own freedom because many freedom fighters gave their life to see the India free from the British rule. 15 August 2020 is celebrated as 74th Independence Day. The first Indian Independence Day is celebrated on 15 August 1947. Many freedom fighters gave their lives, such as Subhash Chandra Bose died on 18 August 1945. Mahatma Gandhi died on 13 January 1948. Jawaharlal Nehru died on 27 May 1964. Dr. Rajendra Prasad died on 28 Feb 1963. We should not forget the sacrifice of them. They should be still alive in our heart. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Zen. Now, I'll request Namir to come here and present the speech.
Good evening, everyone. Wish you all a happy Independence Day. Today is our 74th Independence Day, and we should feel proud to be a part of an independent nation that has freedom to live in our way. We do not have to follow anybody's slavery, but this was a slave to British government. India has been ruled by Britishers for almost 200 years, and after the continuous struggles by our freedom fighters, we have achieved independence on 15 August 1947. On this day, the national flag was hosted on the Red Fort by Prime Minister Shri Jawaharlal Nehru. Since then, we are celebrating Independence Day in every government department, school and college. This is the day of pride and joy for every citizen of our country. India was once called Sone ki Chidiya, which means that we had abundant resources, our land was productive, we have an ample of minerals and law. We were born to the largest spice market. We also have a productive human workforce. This made the British government capture our country and use it for our own benefits. They considered again us through the divide and rule policy and slowly gained control over our country. The people of our country, being illiterate and ignorant, were easily deceived by the Britishers, and they gained control of our kingdom. We become cheap slaves to the British government, and thus they ruled us for many years. Later on, some eminent personalities such as Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh and many more realized that we should fight our rights. Later on, many freedom fighters struggles took place and everybody participated. After years of fight, struggles and hard work, we finally gained freedom on 15th August 1947 and become free and independent nation. So from this day, we every year celebrate Independence Day. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Thank you, Namir. We all Indians should glorify India's past, present and future. We should always maintain unity to strengthen our country. Now, I will request Safa Raje to present a patriotic song, Sare Jahan Se Acha.
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हम पूरे किए वो सिपाह हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा.
Thank you, Safa. By this, we come to a conclusion of the celebration. On behalf of Master's Point classes, I thank all the teachers, all the offline students, and as well as my online students. By this,